Hey friends, this is part 5, the final part in the series for using Airtable to create a membership directory. I'm redoing this because apparently my microphone cut out right in the middle of the other take that I did. So let's try this again so you can see all the ways that you can share the information we have built in our Airtable. So what we want to do is, excuse me, give this form to people to be able to populate information. So we've already gone to our YouTube membership directory form. And if you want to share that, this pink button right here, if you just click on that, you can actually just copy this link and give it to people. And switching over here, that is what this would look like. Just giving the link, it goes straight on the internet. People can fill out their information, submit it, and it will go right into your table. The other option is you can embed the form on your website, and I've got that open here. It gives you the embed code, which if you're a web person, you can go ahead and put that in yourself, or you can give it to your web developer to add in very easily onto your website. And this button here, auto sizes the height of the form. I would recommend leaving that turned on. And Airtable already makes a nice and neat, both a desktop and a mobile view that looks good. You don't have to go in and change anything to make it look good for mobile. And that is a sample of how those forms look. So I've already gone ahead and embedded this code on a demo site here so that you can see how it looks. And especially with the free version of Airtable, I find that works great because you can just use the branding of your website to make it look good instead of just kind of the plain white and gray text. So this is it embedded right on our website. And there you go. So let's not jump ahead to showing you the gallery just yet. So let me go ahead and close this. We're going to close that. And this one. Okay, now we want to go ahead and get our members gallery embedded. And same thing here. It's got this pink highlight on it. And if you just click that, again here, you've got a link and you can just copy it and show that to people that want to see your gallery. This works really great for linking in a Facebook group. People can filter and sort people, and they can also print it. And then we want to, a couple options here are you can choose whether to allow people to download a CSV of your data or not. You can turn that on or off. And then you can also choose whether you want to show other fields when somebody clicks on this that are not currently shown on here, but if you want them to click and see additional fields, you could turn that on. I personally don't like to have that on because if I have fields hidden from this view, that means I probably don't want people to know or see what those fields are. So again, we can click the embed code and it's going to give us code again. So you can drop this gallery in on a website or anywhere where you can drop some code in. You can choose whether to show or hide the filters. And we're going to turn that back on because we want people to be able to filter and sort. And if we scroll down here, you can see again that Airtable makes it look good on mobile automatically. So I have already copied this code, excuse me, and put it on my demo site. And you can see right down here, there's our membership gallery that everyone can view, and they can filter and sort and find people however they like. So, you know, if somebody is looking for someone in their same city, they can, you know, contains Tallahassee, and it's going to filter and show just the Tallahassee people. So that's pretty handy. So that wraps up our demo of creating a membership directory. This is a really simple and easy way to do this for any type of situation where you need to show members, whether it's a Facebook group, whether it's on a website. There's all kinds of different use cases. And just as a reminder, we have put a link to copy this demo base in the show notes of each one of the 5 parts in the series. So no matter which one you're on, you could go in the show notes and just click it, and you'll see in the upper right corner the ability to copy this base, and then you can tweak it to make it your own. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next series that I create. Thank you.